In this video, I'll show you how you can put your PlayStation 5 into rest mode using the PlayStation Portal. Now, before you can do that, there are a couple of settings you need to enable. So on your PlayStation 5, go to Settings. Within the settings, select System, and then scroll down and choose Power Saving, and then select Features Available in Rest Mode. Now from here, ensure that these two options have been enabled. The Stay Connected to Internet has been enabled, and also enable turning on PlayStation 5 from a network has been enabled. Now once those settings have been enabled, all you have to do is grab your PlayStation Portal and then press the power button, or rather press the PlayStation button on the portal. And then from the menu that appears, select PlayStation 5 Control Center, and then scroll down and navigate to the power option right here. Select it and then select Enter Rest Mode. Okay, so you can press X and that will enter the rest mode. Alternatively, you can simply swipe left from this side and then select Disconnect, and then simply ensure that this option has been enabled. Put the connected PS5 into rest mode and then tap on Disconnect, and now it will put the PlayStation 5 into rest mode, as you can see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.